It's your girl Shelly May, and I am back with another video. My voice still sounds really weird. I don't know what's going on, but whatever. Anyways, what's up? Welcome back to all of my subscribers, and hello to everyone who is new here. Today, as you read, we're getting into the TAO cleaning brush. What is this thing called? TAO Clean Orbital Facial Brush and Cleaning Station. That's what this thing is called. Alright. Had to read the box. If y'all subscribe, y'all know I always forget what I'm doing and what I'm supposed to be saying. But that's okay because that's life. And you forget things and you can't remember right away like that. So, let's get into this brush. So this is the brush. These come in different colors. I got the rose gold one because it matches my decor. They had a purple one, and purple is my favorite color, so it was hard not to get the purple one. But I wanted it to blend in with everything on my countertop. So this is the brush and the cleaning system, not plugged in. So I've had this for about a month and a half now. And let's just get into it. So this is how it comes. And then it comes with two brushes. It comes with a, what is this? Like an everyday brush. I think it says it on some part. And they come in with these cute little containers. It doesn't say it in here. Oh, it says it on the back of the brush. On the back of the brush. I'm like, I know it has the name of the brushes. So, bam. This is the Daily Care. So it comes with a Daily Care brush, which is the one that I had attached. I know I wasn't tricking y'all. I knew it. And of course it's black because I just used it this morning. And then a exfoliator brush. So when I first got this, I used the exfoliator brush because I wanted to do a really deep clean. And if you've never used a facial cleaner brush like me, it's not going to be comfortable the first use. You're going to be like, ooh, I don't like this. Like the first week I had it, I was not feeling the way like it felt on my face. But I knew it was getting a deep clean because I could see all the dirt in the brushes. So yeah, it has these really great cases for your brushes when you're not using whichever one you're not using. And then the names are on the back of the brush so you know what you have. Or you know what they are, whatever. And then so this is a system that does need to be plugged in. So it also comes with the charger. The charger. So I leave this plugged in and on because I wash my face twice a day. So it comes with the box and the cord. It comes with the box and the cord. And yeah, so that's awesome. So this right here is the system. The brush has a timer. It has a 1-minute timer. So it's all charged up. So if I press that, it goes. So this is how it rotates. So you can see it better if it's black. And it will automatically stop after a minute, and a little light here lights up while it's on. And then the cleaning system station here, there is a sensor button at the bottom so it knows when it's flat against your countertop. When this light is white, your system is all cleaned and ready to go, and when it is blue, it's going through its cleaning process. So this in here, I'm not sure if you can like peep that. It's got that clear section in there. That I believe is the it's like a UV light, and that is what it heats the brush. So that's how it gets dry, and then it also sanitizes your brush after every single use. So that is honestly the reason why I got this, because I didn't want to get a facial cleaning brush that just sits out and has to air dry, and like by the time you're using it for the second time it's still wet. It still has, you know, like all the bacteria that it took off your face that like didn't come off when you rinsed your brush off. So this kills that, and that is popping. That's what's up. So like I was saying earlier, my first week of using this brush, because I had not had or used a facial cleaning brush before, it was a bit rough on my skin. which I was surprised about because I'm like, my skin's not real sensitive. I don't think it's gonna like hurt or be uncomfortable. It was uncomfortable. Like, especially with the exfoliation brush, using that for the very first time on the very first go, because I wanted my skin to be exfoliated and cleaned really well for the first use. That I was like, ooh, this is not feeling very good, and it didn't feel it felt the worst. Like under my cheeks here was on the most sensitive feeling area with the exfoliation brush. So the first time I used it was at night because it came in like the middle of the day, of course. And then the next morning I swapped the brush heads to the daily use brush, and I thought that was going to be a little bit better and that it wasn't going to hurt so much. I still had that same issue of my skin just being really sensitive to it and not really being able to get up under here really well. And just the rest of my face, like my forehead was kind of fine, but it still just did not feel good on my face. So I think like skin facial brushes are an acquired taste or an acquired feeling or sensitivity, just because it takes a little bit of time. It took about a week to a week and a half of use before my face was like, okay, was just okay with it. Like, it didn't bother me anymore. Like, now I can just go everywhere on my face. Like, in here really doesn't bother me anymore like it did in the beginning. But I still don't go over this part a whole lot because after so many times within that 1 minute, it can irritate my skin in here if I go over these sections really a whole lot. So these are like, honestly, I wash my face like the same way every day. I start on this side, right in here, get in here real fast, go down and around, get up in here, and then I use it everywhere else. And then I'll like come back over this section about 2 to 3 times because I don't want my skin to get irritated from the brush. Other than that, I do swap out the brushes once a week. So like on Sundays, Sunday morning, I will use the exfoliation brush, and then for the rest of the week, I will use just the daily cleansing brush. So once a week, I really get a really great deep clean. Rest of the week, I just go about my cleaning. So when I have makeup on, that's when you can really, really see it in the brush. So I'll use my makeup remover wipes, and then I'll do the brush like you usually would when you take off your makeup. Well, to me, that's normal. I don't know what you guys do if that's not normal for y'all. But other than that, it's been really great. Like I said, I had to get used to the feeling on my face. My face had to adjust to that and become, like, I guess, less sensitive to it, which works for me. If you have really sensitive skin and like really sensitive to different textures on your skin, I wouldn't suggest this just because it can be rough in the beginning. But if you're willing to, give it some time, I would definitely say use this. The only downside of this is like you have to keep it plugged in the whole entire time. If you don't like that, so it's not like it's something that has to sit on your countertop. So if you don't like things sitting on your countertop and you don't like a lot of clutter, then you really wouldn't like this. The other thing is it doesn't always every single day get fully dry. It really just depends on what time I'm washing my face at night and what time I woke up and washed my face in the morning. So it does take, I'd say, about 5 hours for this to fully dry. It's not a fast drying process, but it does kill germs. So I would rather have it take 5 hours to dry and kill the germs than to just have like a face brush that's just sitting out, like I said. But otherwise, all in all, I really like this product. I'm very excited that I got. Well, I was excited when it came in. I'm very glad that I did make this purchase. I did get mine off of Amazon. I did see like a couple different places had different boxes. Mine came in a very basic box. I'm sorry, I'm trying not to cuss. Very basic box. Mine came in this brown box here. and I opened it. One of the brushes came in these here. It's just a clear front so you can see inside. And here it says that you have a 2-year warranty on it somewhere in the box. And yeah, let me just have like images of, the camera's really not gonna pick up these images, but there are images in here of like how it works and how to use it and what's what. And it's a UVC light. I was right. I was like, UV maybe? Yeah, UVC light. In here, it's a 360 Aura Clean Halo lamp. Kills over 99.9% of germs. Has a 2-year warranty, and it comes with a brush charger. Okay, yeah, it's breaking down what's inside of the actual, the bottom portion that's not the brush. It has 2 speed modes and clean and exfoliate pores using orbital action. Like you saw when I turned it on, it just goes in a circle. Has a 1-minute timer, like I said. The brush is waterproof, so it allows for you to wash your face in the shower or the bathtub. If that's what you do, you can do that. It's waterproof, not water resistant. There's a difference between water resistant and waterproof. iPhones are water resistant, so they can last in water for a limited amount of time until the water like eventually gets in. Waterproof means that the water ain't never coming in. Never, ever. So that's what this is. Completely waterproof. And I'm glad I decided to pull this box out. And then it has like phone number if you need help with anything. And just shows you, how to plug it in or how to plug a charger into it. And yeah. So that is the TAO, however you want to pronounce it, cleaning system. So I hope y'all like this video. Hope you find this helpful to you in your search for finding the, who is texting me? It's an advertisement. I need to opt out of that. Anyways, that, I got so distracted. Oh my goodness. Anyways, that is the brush and the video. That's all I really have to say about it. I really like it. I'm so happy I got it. It really just helps get my face clean. Oh yeah, to dry, because I like my couple last little things. I like my face to be like lathered and soapy. So what I do is I put my face cleaner, it has a little pump, I pump 2 pumps onto the brush, and then I wet the brush, and then I go in on it, so on my face, so it gets all lathered and whatnot. And to dry my face, I just use a rag. To get the soap off my face, I wet a rag, and I wipe my face off. So yeah, other than that, I really like this. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope this is helpful for you all in your search for the right face cleaning brush. I got mine off of Amazon and I paid $79 for it, which I know you can get from other places and it's more expensive. I will have the link in the description bar below, so you can click on that baby. It has all the colors that it comes in. I think some colors are cheaper than others, but I was able to get mine with Prime shipping, so I have mine like this, and I love it. So yeah, like I said probably 2 times, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please, if you do like the video, hit the like button, turn on your notifications, leave a comment. If you have any comments or questions, I do try to get back to those within 48 hours. And subscribe if you have not. Hit that young subscribe button so you can see all of the videos I post. I try to post at least once a week, from stuff about hair. Oh, yep. Natural hair, weave. This is from my hair collection called Opulence Hair Collection. The link for that will be in the description as well. And yeah, like, turn your notifications, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank y'all so much for watching. Until next time, y'all, it's your girl Shelly May. Have a good day or night or morning, whatever.